Namaskar and a very good morning. Welcome to the audiocast from Kotak Securities. I'm your host and guide, Anindya Bannerjee. The pendulum has swung again. Yesterday it was risk on and इसके लिए Indian rupee appreciated. आज it is risk off. US equity markets closed lower. Asian equities may sell off है. Dollar is strengthening. US bond yields are ticking higher and US crude oil prices, in fact crude oil prices, have rebounded. So ये सिचुएशन में ऑफशोर में डॉलर रुपी इज ट्रेडिंग एट अ फ्रेश ऑल टाइम हाई. स्पॉट रेफरेंस इज अराउंड 78, 43 के आसपास. इफ द ऑनशोर ओपन्स देयर इट विल बी अ फ्रेश ऑल टाइम हाई. नाउ कल सुबह से वी हैव बीन फ्लैगिंग दिस रिस्क ऑफ एक्सपायरी रिलेटेड बाइंग बिकॉज ऑफ दिस ह्यूज ओपन इंटरेस्ट इन द June 28th फ्यूचर्स कॉन्ट्रैक्ट, both on the NSE as well as on the BSE. कल कुछ हद तक शॉर्ट कवरिंग हुआ है and we saw that short covering play out during the second half. But आज भी there is a sizable open interest in the market. So there is a risk that further short covering can happen and dollar rupee can rise into the expiry that's around noon time. But keep in mind, RBI is going to be watching this particular phenomena. So we won't be surprised if they come in heavily. And especially with dollar rupee opening at a fresh all-time high, RBI tends to increase their pace of intervention or dollar selling. So if that's the case, be careful. Don't just go blindly long in the market just because there has to be some kind of a expiry related buying. You should be careful to watch how RBI responds. If RBI comes in heavily, it may so happen dollar rupee may stall and then pull back. And that could be a good opportunity to go long rather than trying to just go long at the open. 78 के आसपास dollar rupee has formed a considerable base, a very formidable base. So 77, 90, 78 year zone में over the past couple of weeks it has come, tested and bounced. So जब तक 77, 90, 78 is intact, the bias is definitely upward. Resistances don't really matter because it's at an all-time high. First, second, RBI जहाँ पे increases their pace of intervention exceptionally much, that's the level where the resistance forms. इसके लिए resistance is not important here. Support and the key bullish pivot is important. That is 77, 92, 78 on the spot and July futures as well. So buy on dips is the trade. Now short straddles or strangles के लिए we ask you to wait because the implied volatility is low, so the risk compensation is pretty bad. And dollar rupee is opening at a fresh all-time high. And there is this risk of short covering. Plus the global markets are looking negative. तो ये situation में we would like to wait and see how the market behaves during the day. अगर हम लोग को opportunities कुछ दिखते हैं, we'll definitely communicate this option selling opportunities through our Telegram channel. In case you are not in the Telegram channel, we'd request you to be a part of that. It's a thriving community of currency traders. You can search Currency Corner by Kotak Securities on Telegram and you can easily become a part of it. On the crosses at this point in time, there are no trending opportunities. It's going to be mostly range bound and choppy. So that's it, folks. This is Anindya Bannerjee signing off. Have a fantastic day ahead.